Hello, everyone. Trudy here with Heal Wellness and Therapy. And this is my 5-minute fix for the vagus nerve. And so, as many of you know, the vagus nerve is often called the wanderer nerve. It supplies many different organs of our body and is a crucial muscle when it comes to what is called our autonomic nervous system, which has two parts, our flight and fight and freeze response, and then the beautiful relaxation response. So the vagus nerve, which is the key nerve that supplies, most importantly, our heart and our stomach of our digestive system, is a key nerve in the relaxation response of our autonomic nervous system. So I want to show you 3 easy, mindful techniques that you can do just to be one with that vagus nerve and get it to relax. So find yourself a comfortable seat. After you have a comfortable seat, just rest your hands down onto your thighs. If you're sitting in a chair, check in that you've got your feet touching the floor. If you're sitting somewhere that your legs are in tailor sitting or crisscross, that's okay too. Lengthen the back of your neck, settle your chin. Take a nice deep inhale here, and as you exhale, just slightly side bend your head to the right. As you do so, you put tension into the left side of your neck. Now we're going to target a muscle to the front of our neck here that the vagus nerve lays behind. So keep that slight side bend to the right. Take a deep inhale in. And as you exhale, let the chin lift up to the ceiling and take your gaze all the way up to the ceiling. Now check in with your left shoulder for a second. Make sure you haven't hiked it up. So relax through your left shoulder. Feel the stretch to the left side of your neck. Feel your gaze looking straight up. Take a nice, slow, deep inhale into your belly and exhaling out. One more breath here. Nice, deep inhale in and exhaling out. Then on your inhale, unrotate your head, and on your exhale, bring your head back upright. That's actually called a salamander exercise, which is a key exercise in stretching the sternocleidomastoid muscle, which is one of the muscles of your neck that the vagus nerve sits behind. All right, let's do the opposite side. So lengthen the neck, settle the chin. Take a nice deep inhale, and on the exhale, give yourself a slight side bend of the head, this time to the left. Already feel a little bit of tension into the right side of your neck here. Keep your hands nice and rested. Then take a deep inhale in, and as you exhale, turn the chin upward. Take the gaze all the way upwards towards the ceiling here. Relax, relax, relax through the right shoulder. Take a nice deep inhale into your belly and exhaling out. One more breath, nice slow deep inhale into the belly and exhaling out. Then as you inhale, unrotate the head, and as you exhale, unside bend the neck. So Salamander, doing stretching to both of the sternocleidomastoids, is going to target relaxation of the muscle, less compression onto the nerve, more ability of that vagus nerve to find its more relaxed state versus its hypervigilant heightened state. Now let's do a breathing exercise, a nice and simple technique where we focus on the exhalation. So we know every time we breathe, when you take an inhale, you're in sympathetic mode of your autonomic nervous system. When you exhale, you're in parasympathetic mode. So if we're focusing on trying to get the relaxation response, if all we focus on is extending our exhalation, taking more time with our exhalation, we will calm our nervous system and hopefully calm our body and our mind. So relax yourself in whatever seated device you're in. Use the support of wherever you're sitting if you can. Lengthen through the back of the neck, settle through the chin. Rest your tongue to the roof of the mouth. That's the resting point for your tongue, with the tip of the tongue touching the back of the top teeth. Either keep your eyes open but downcast them in front of you, or if you're comfortable with it, doesn't create any anxiety or any sort of increased stress or tension, then allow yourself to close your eyes. Take a slow inhale into your belly for 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath just there for a second, and then exhaling through the nose or the mouth for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that 3 more times. Inhaling in, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Exhaling out, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more breath. Inhaling in, 3, 2, 1. And exhaling out, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then allow yourself just to go into a normal breathing pattern. Keep your eyes downcast or comfortably close your eyes if that's something that feels right for you. And then we're going to do what is called progressive neuromuscular relaxation. So allow your body to be nice and still. Allow yourself to go to your hands for a moment. And allow your fingers and your thumbs to make nice tight fists. Take a deep inhale into your body. Squeeze those fists nice, tight. And then when you exhale, slowly release all of the tension into your hands and rest your hands onto your thighs. Go to your elbows. Straighten your elbows out for a moment. Take an inhale and squeeze the elbows nice and straight as you feel a contraction through the back of your arms. And then as you exhale, rest the hands once again up and onto the thighs. Go to your shoulder blades. Start to squeeze your shoulder blades back. Take an inhale in, squeeze really, really tight. And then as you exhale, relax your shoulder blades completely. Go to your shoulders here and shrug your shoulders upwards towards your ears. Like wearing your shoulders as earrings. Take an inhale in, shrug them nice and high. And then as you exhale, let the shoulders settle away from the neck. Go to your jaw and tighten your jaw. Clench your teeth together as they approximate. Take a deep inhale in. And then as you exhale, just let your jaw muscles relax. Let the teeth just slightly come apart from one another. Soften the lips, but let the lips stay softly closed. Go to your eyes here and tighten your eyes very, very tight, like no light can come in. Take a deep inhale in. And then as you exhale, soften the eyes, relax the muscles completely. Then go back to the breath and take one more slow inhale in for 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath there. And then exhale out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then if your eyes are closed, gently open your eyes. If your eyes are downcast, bring your eyes upward. See the world around you. Take your hands and bring your palms to the center of your heart. Hopefully your heart rate, your respiration rate, all of the vital signs we measure, including heart rate variability, have positively changed. You feel more relaxed. You feel like your mind and your body have found some peace. Take a deep inhale in and exhaling out. Namaste. The highest in me salutes the highest in you. Thank you for joining me, and I'm pretty sure your vagus nerve is appreciating that. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.